Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to cast on with the loop method. It is very easy. All you need is one needle and of course the yarn of your choice. So to start with, you will see it is a very quick tutorial, and hopefully this will teach you very quickly how to do that. So we don't really need a very long tail at all. I always leave a tail so that I can sew it on at the end. So you will always start with a slip knot on your needle. So you put your slip knot on the needle and then you tighten it up. But when you tighten it up, don't tighten it too tight. You want it to be okay so that it slides nicely on the needle, as you can see here. Okay, so the loop method is very loose, so it's very good for some shawls or some blankets or that type of thing where you don't need a very tight cast on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that now, how to cast on with the loop method, and then I might do a couple of rows afterwards so that I can show you what it looks like. So to do this one, this is how I was taught. You can either do it with your left hand or your right hand. I use my right hand. So you're going to E-wrap basically the yarn around your finger like this. Do it again. You're going to wrap the yarn around your finger from front to back like this. And now that you've done that, you're going to insert your needle in that front loop here. Here. Grab the loop from your finger, let go, tighten the yarn, but not too tight, because if you do it too tight, you will find it very difficult to knit in that stitch. So don't do it too tight. Make always sure that when you do your stitches, you can move the stitches nicely around the needle. Because otherwise, I promise you, you will struggle to knit in these loops. So let's do that one more time. Wrap the yarn around your finger just like so. And then with your needle, insert your needle in that loop here. Grab it, get it off your finger, and then with this yarn, pull it, but not too tight. Always remember that. You see? Let's do that again. And then you can do that as quick or as fast as you want. That's all there is to it. It is very simple. There we are, just like so. I'll do it again a bit slower now. Wrap the yarn around your finger. With your needle, insert it into this loop, let go, and tighten up, but always remember, never too tight. So now I'm going to knit a couple of rows and then I will show you how it looks. So I've done my couple of rows and this is what it looks like. It is pretty neat and quite loose. You can see all the stitches here. There we are. And it is especially a very good method if you are going to come back here and work a border, because you can see exactly where all the stitches are. So I usually do recommend that type of cast on for blankets as well, and shawls, or some cardigans, sweaters as well. It just depends what kind of cast on is suggested for the pattern that you're using. Okay, so that concludes the cast on method with the loop. So I hope that you have enjoyed this one, and the next one will be coming along shortly. If there is any type of cast on that you want to be shown, please let me know in the comment section below, or alternatively you can find my email in the description box. So feel free to email me, and I will be happy to do whichever cast on method that you want. I will have a specific playlist for all the cast ons. So thank you very much for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone!